Hi everybody, welcome to my channel, Rosie Cooks. I'm making a small batch recipe, one sweet potato. I cubed it up into small cubes and I have a hot skillet. I've added vegetable oil, just enough to coat the bottom. And I'm adding my sweet potato. I'm gonna fry this up on a medium-high heat, just slightly over the medium, a little on the high side. And you want it nice and hot and you want to fry those potatoes. And I'm going to fry them until they start to become golden brown. And I'm going to toss them. Just toss it, keep an eye on it until they're all cooked through. And they get a little bit crunchy on the outside. Then I'm going to drain them on a paper napkin in a bowl. Just drain the potatoes. Now I'm adding 1/4 teaspoon of salt, pepper, and cinnamon. It makes it taste so good. And this is a side dish you could use any time of the year, and you can have it with any meal. It's a very good, healthy side dish. Very tasty too. So this is cinnamon sweet potatoes, a very easy, small batch recipe. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe and I'll see you next time.